What's up guys, it's Oyisa here and welcome back to another video. I'm currently at my office location for my vending machine, in which I need to change the note reader because South Africa has decided to change their notes, and now my note readers basically need to be upgraded. Fortunately, to make it cheaper, usually you can swap out your current note reader and then get a new one from a supplier. And luckily, since I'm here in P, I've got a local supplier again to assist me with that. That's a tip that you should have. Always try and find a local supplier or become the local supplier. And since I am a startup, I cannot be the local supplier at the moment, but at some point in the future, I want to be that. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go check out the vending machine. We'll also see what is empty and what needs to be refilled, etc. Let's go. What's up guys, I'm currently at my machine now, and as you can see, let me just show you quickly. We're sitting at that point. So this machine has starting pretty well. As I said to you guys, the Red Bulls, these aren't going as fast as I expected. Oh well. Cokes as per usual, the noodles. So now I realize that Durban curry noodles, they don't enjoy the Kellogg's. These ones, they enjoy the Maggie noodles the most. So I'll need to refill majority of these with Maggie Durban curry noodles. Bougie, but yeah. And then after that, I will be sorted. But now I'm going to remove this note reader here because it's not currently working with new notes that South Africa has decided to introduce, so it has to get upgraded. I'm going to go to the supplier. I'm gonna take this off. Let me just show you guys from the front. So that's the note reader, how it comes out. So that's small space, no one can really do any sort of damage in terms of stealing money or opening it. It's a pretty small opening, so I'm gonna take this whole thing out. I bought my tools, good to go. A lot of people think I'm not really a handsy dude, but okay, bad joke. But yeah, this is what I'm going to use to take it out, and hopefully I'll get a good angle of me recording it. And these stuff are basically taken out because they don't sell much here, the PS chocolates, and these, they sell more at my other machine, so I'm just going to refill the other machine. And then from there, we are going to be good to go. Let me try and set this up quick now. So yeah guys, we basically got this thing off now. There's the opening that will be open, and then I will basically need to ensure that the coin mechanism is still connected, so that people can still purchase with coins. And as you know, I've got the card reader still, so I need to make sure that people can still buy with cards, and I'll test that after I've done all this taking off. And yeah, so yeah, this is how the notes go and how they move. This is the note reader itself. So yeah, that went a lot faster than I expected, or I thought. But yeah, we're good now. Just gonna turn the machine on and basically test that it still accepts coins and cards. So guys, we're just waiting for everything to basically connect and say we're happy to go. The coins, it seems like they're connected and good to go because there's nothing showing here. Something would show red here to say there's no change or something like that. But now we're just waiting for the card reader. Hey, happy days. So yeah, I'm gonna test both things. I'm just wondering how I'm gonna set the camera up now. Okay, I have an idea. Let's get some sugar-free Coke. Because you know we're on that fitness journey. So the coins are still working, the coin mechanism is still working. Now we're going to test out the card reader. I think I'm just going to buy the same thing. As you can see here, we're running into a problem because it's saying cash only. So I think I have to connect this to the coin mechanism or the programming itself, which I'll check out now. Otherwise, if I don't figure it out, I'll speak to a technician, a more experienced technician that I know. What's up guys? So I've managed to actually sort out the card reader and the coins. Now let's do this test again. Now it's worked for the coins. Now we're testing the card reader.
Please select the product. Authorizing. Thank you.
So guys, it worked. You don't know how long I've been here. I came here probably 2 hours ago, if not 1.5 hours ago, and having connection issues with the machine after taking out this thing, but now we're good to go. And I think that is the video guys. I will obviously show you hopefully when I get the new one and reconnect the new one, hopefully by this week before I leave for Iceland. But yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys. I'm out. What's up guys, it's the following day here, and as you can see there's listings again, which is always good. I managed to get the upgrade of these upgraded note reader. So now I'm basically going to put it in and then test it out to see that it's actually accepting the new notes. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, that is basically gonna go inside there on the inside. So yeah, I'm gonna take this out. I've got my tools, but I don't have them inside yet. They're in the car, and I think I can put it on while without my tools, and then tighten with my hands, and then eventually I'll bring the tools and then tighten with them. So the hard part is always putting it in. So that is basically in now. I'm going to tighten these, bring my tools, tighten these, and then you see it's opening there, and then I'm gonna put that in here, which is where the notes are collected. See, just now, let me get my tools. I already took the toolbox, and now I'm basically going to tighten that thing over there. This is where the notes get processed in the machine, and basically to open it you need to pinch those two white pins at the top, and then you pull it down or push it up depending on how this actual note reader is set up on a machine. So I'm just going to tighten these, see how long it'll take, but it shouldn't be that long. So guys, we're done tightening this thing. Now we're gonna close it up, put in the notes collection, and then we're gonna test it out. Let's see how it goes. So guys, a good way to know that the note reader is working is it flashes green over there. If it wasn't working, it would flash red. But then when it's calibrating and turning on and figuring out what's happening in the programming, these two will show on for about a couple of seconds, and then eventually, if it's good, this will be flashing green, and if it's not good, then it will be red. Another reason why it could be red is also if there's no change. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see there's like a hand with coins there. If there's no change in the coin mechanism, that will flash red, or not enough change. That will flash red because person might put in 20 Rand and then they can't get change, causes problems for the machine. Yeah, it's a very neat technology. Now I'm just gonna wait for the, actually I don't need to wait for this, we've tested this out already, but I will have to test because I changed the connection, so I'll have to wait until there's signal on this one and that is connected. In the meantime, I'll actually test this. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, everything is on now. I'm gonna test the notes. Just got a bit disturbed. Yeah, that's also good that that's working, notes working, that is working, and now I'm basically gonna test everything one last time. Then I'm gonna refill with what's required to be refilled on this machine, and then we'll call it a day at this one. That's 20 rand, doesn't look too. And guys, honestly, when 20 rand or any note is looking like a person was grabbing it or eating it or whatever, it will be difficult to go in. But yeah, we'll keep trying, and if it doesn't, I'll try and see if I can get another note. It went in! Yes! So these moments, guys, I treasure them a lot, because yeah, it's a lot of work to do these small things, changes and stuff, and with technology and any sort of technology or electronic things, the first try is hardly ever good. It's always trial and error until it's right. But the note was red and it's in. I'm so happy about that. We can test other things, but if that's working, I'm sure the rest is gonna work. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the video. I'm gonna finish off with refilling the machine. As you see, it needs some refilling. What's up, guys? So my battery died while I was just saying a farewell. But yeah, I ended up refilling the machine. I asked one of the clients at the location to just take a picture and send it to me to show what it looks like after refilling it, and then from there I'll probably like share it next to me or something on the screen for you guys to see. And yeah, that's one of the few maintenance things that needs to be done on a machine. Changing a node reader, maybe it becomes faulty. The odds of it becoming faulty are not that high, but yeah, there's always certain things that you need to make changes on. So maybe the cost will be something that you'd like to know. Since I already had a note reader, I did a swap, so I didn't really need to pay for a new note reader. And companies these days, they're able to like upgrade those note readers. So I had to pay 750 rand, which I'll deduct from my expenses this month as an expense for maintenance of a machine, and that's fine, you know, like it's not too bad. My income covers it, but yeah, it's just a knock on the income. And what else did I need to pay for? There's not much. Obviously, I had to collect the note reader, the new one, the upgraded one, and I had to bring mine in, had to drive around to do the changes. You know, petrol's expensive, guys. Petrol's expensive. But yeah, there's nothing else to that specific maintenance that needed to be done that I could say. But it's always good to have tools to know. But yeah, at the end of the day, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and follow for more information on how to start your own vending machine business, or comment or let me know what you would like to see on this channel, what other things you'd like to know. And yeah, shoot me an email or contact me in any way. Anyway, until the next one, I'm out.